Je vous les donne comme je l'ai dit à Moïse. Tout lieu que foulera la plante de votre pied. Je vous les donne comme je l'ai dit à Moïse.
I'm firstly known by the name Hanna Chikosi. That's the name by which I entered into the music fraternity. And then I got married to Ndakambofunga and took on the surname Hanna Mapepeta. Ndakazvarirwa kwaMutare ndiri muSamanika muchakubocha pamushinji ndiri mutwin which tiri pachi4 number 4 ne5 tiri matwin Hanna naAnna. Ndakaenda kuchikoro kuMutare Girls High ndikakurira maMutare imomo ndakazouya muHarare ndakuenda kuchikoro. I was born into a musical family. My parents are musicians. Their great grandparents were musicians as well. But then I felt a deeper urge and call when I was very young to enter into ministry through music. I remember when I was very young, I would sit by the veranda and sing. I would take the hymn book and sing, study the words of those hymns. Sometimes they chema, ndichingostada mawords emahymns. Pandaiimba ndanamata ndaimba ndichida kuti manzwi ezvandiri kuimba anyatsobata hoko muupenyu hwevanhu, muupenyu hwangu kutanga, then to the people. That's how I continued singing. I always say if I had a choice, unoda here kuimba ndairamba.
Why?
Because naturally I want to be behind the scenes. I think I am. But when I'm singing, God always takes over. And chaone vanhu, and chazvione nyinyi. And sometimes I actually feel when the anointing is upon me, voice racho ndochinja and totoshouta ndini here. I think spiritual support yanga iri, it has been the basis upon which the ministry has been built. If there's anyone I know appreciate the depth of words and the message in my songs, ishoko rakabva mune zvatinonzwa zvichiparidzwa. And I think for me it has been the best thing to ever happen to me, to believe in the end time message. It translates everything that's happening to us right now. I may not be understood in every little sense, which is expected. I think not everyone understands everyone. But I feel good. The button stick ravakandipa reshoko raMwari, I'm sharing it to the best of my ability with everyone around me. And the biggest support they're giving me is spiritual support, emotional support. They are there for me. They pray for me. And the pulpit especially, under Pastor Tinde, the pulpit strengthens me. It gives me such backup. I appreciate it. I think if it was not for him, I would have stopped. Because it's not an easy road, really. It's not an easy road, but I think he's the backbone to the music. He's very supportive, and sometimes if contentions rise, ndianotomira kuti ngavatange vatarisana neni tipedzerane panyaya iyi. He's always helpful. Sometimes with the words chayo ema songs, I can ask him, Asha, scripture ndinoiwana kupi? Before you can reap, you have to sow. And sowing, the basa. badza kuribata, ndinofanira kutsvaga maseeds acho nematurusi acho ekushandisa. And time iyoyo haisi nguva yekuexpecta results. It's just time yekuplanta chete, and it might be a long time to wait at the planting season before you can reap. And that time is not an easy time for most people. That's the time when I call it a mean time, the waiting season. Waiting is not easy. Shakura Mwari noti, teach me to wait because I've seen it. Amai Chikosi Duma is one of the great gospel musicians that inspires me. She's always remained consistent, and in my opinion, havana kuregera fame chivashanu vakangora kungora Chikosi Duma. Minister Mahindira has been so helpful. Kwandiri, upcoming, uchiri madaka. He called me and my husband. We want to talk to you about this music. We feel with this music in a giving us notes, giving us advice, giving us, that support. It's very rare for musicians to support one another. I'm not sure why, but it's very rare. And I feel inspired. Unamuno arikuita make it achiuya futi to help upcoming musicians. I also envy Sisi Jenina Manini. She has been very helpful. She's also a gospel musician. She has been so helpful in my music journey. Amai Nyaradzi Charamu. Ndakatera song yavo recently. Ndikati wow. Okay, this is an inspirational song. There's so many that I have seen around that have been inspiring a lot in me. I think with the economic situation in Zimbabwe, very few musicians are making money. But for us as gospel musicians, we are winning souls. And one soul is worth 10,000 wells. For us, it's a great salary. But of course, you want to be able to make ends meet. You want to be able to make more music. I think that will come with time as God gives you a harvest. There's a time when I sang Chimbo Chinunzi Jehovah Watigonera, and another one is Marani Shanga Mashokako. I was misunderstood by many who were around me at the time. I do not like delving deep into the negatives of what happened at the time, but I want to say that was one of the rock bottom moments of my life. I almost committed suicide at the time because everyone who surrounded me did not understand what I was doing, why I was doing it. And I was a child. Mubvunzo wandaizvibvunza ndewekuti ko zvandiri mwana ndaizvibvunza kuti zvandiri mwana vanodii kugara neni pasi. Handinamboramba kugadziriswa. Asi Mwari wakanaka. I don't know how I made it through. Somehow it looks like upenyu hwedu is like a drama. God is acting out upenyu hwatakararama kudhara in his books. And I am reliving the thoughts of God. When I look back, I don't know how I kept holding on, because everyone around me was against me at the time. If you wait until you're perfect, you'll never start. My advice to you is start where you are. Secondly, invest in your talent. Never expect to reap as soon as you sow. No simmer and you wait. Keep on uprooting the weeds. Keep on working on your talent. In due season, you will reap. Sometimes it may take 10, 20 years to do the harvest. But if you invest in your talent, give your talent time, wait for the seed to ibude. In due season, you will reap.
Wari wangu uyu ichinda hurusa handi manikidze zviri mumoko angu kana ndamerwa ndinotaura zvandinoda kuti zviitike nyaya yacho yova